What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and we made no trades today, but I'm going to be back testing the strategy and also looking at the funded account and then basically going from there. So just follow me through this video. It's going to be pretty short, so just follow me through. Hopefully, you understand what I'm describing, what's going on, right? So let's get into it. So, first of all, I'll show you that I made no trades today on this account because this account generally has a day behind I don't know, lapse or lag. Like it doesn't show the exact date, or the date is just kind of messed up because I think they're working with England or Egypt time, whereas we're working with New York time, right? So I made no trades today on this platform, the Trade the Pool platform. And on the Fiverr's platform, no trades either. It's a $25,000 funding challenge account, and that's what I'm gonna be getting into. So I made no trades today. I was like, I wanted to take it slow. I wanted to actually like get some A plus setups, right? Because I've been taking a lot of trades and they're not working, and it's like I'm just chasing chasing my tail, trying to figure out what works, what can give me some level of consistency and profitability. So I'm basically just looking for those A plus setups because this looks like something that could have been a nice A plus setup, right? You have, and if we go into the strategy, the red line, this red line is the 200 smooth something moving average, smooth moving something average. I don't remember. SMMA. Let's actually just look it up real quick. SMMA. SMMA. Or is it simple? Let's see what it means actually. Hopefully, you see my fingers looking crazy. Look at that, boy. But it's actually, yeah, smooth moving average. And it's, so this moving average, right? It monitors the price changes depending on the time. So this would be the 200, I think it's a 200-day moving average, and the 50 would be the 50-day moving average, 21 day moving average. So it gives you like a more of a average of like key points in price, and you can see above the 200 SMMA, generally bullish, you're looking for buys, and then below the SMMA, you're looking for sells, or as it starts to approach it, you're kind of looking for sells. It's very interesting. So I just wanted to see where I could get those like A plus setups, right? So what would have been an A plus setup here? So we made no trades on the day today, right? Let's actually block off what would have been today's trades. I mean, when it comes to NAS 100, I'm going to go with my rule is to only play it during the New York session, right? So this is actually where, from this point on, is where the market kind of opened and continue. Let me bring this down here. Okay, so what do we have here? Bearish movement. We have a bearish engulfing with this um indicator. It tells you the bearish engulfing candle. So it tells you when a candle engulfs the previous one, or it's much bigger than the previous one. So it kind of tells you where the momentum might be headed. Like there's strong sell pressure if it's a bearish engulfing, and if it's a bullish engulfing, there's stronger buying pressure than the previous candle. So it's not really a tell all be all, like it doesn't tell you everything you need to know about the candle, but it can also tell you like where the momentum might be shifting towards. Something to note though is that it's bouncing off of this smooth moving average, and this is the 50 smooth moving average. And sometimes moving averages can play as support levels or resistance levels, meaning that they can either bounce off of them and go up or bounce off of them and push back down, right? So the ideal point to enter this trade today would have been here. So I'm just trying to look at it and see where I would have multiple confluences, right? So multiple confluences could have been, all right, I have a bearish engulfing indicator here, right? Bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing actually, because it's going up, it's bullish. We have like a reversal in the MACD, right? And then you have it also kind of playing off of the smooth moving average to the upside. Like the smooth moving average kind of act as like a rope or a bottom for the market here. Like the market found it hard to push below this level and continue down before it continued up. So that's something that I could look for and trade. I'm just trying to spot what are the best times that I can be traded. So when I employ capital, it's not like, it feels so much like a risk if it's a point where I'm employing my capital and then it doesn't work. Because I look at these trades, I could have entered here, here. I mean, these trades would have worked, yes, but for how long, right? You don't really get a nice runner. This trade is where you can get a nice runner. You can play it up until 245, right? That's basically what I'm seeing here. I know I'm looking kind of crusty today, guys, but we just came in off the work and decided to keep banging it. These are some A plus setups. Why? You have, I think this is the 21 moving average, this is the 50, and then this is the 200, right? And as the market kind of begin to break above, it kind of bounced right off the 200, and it was all history after that. You typically see a lot of strength anytime you play off of that 200 moving average or even a 200 EMA. You would see basically the same thing. That 200 level typically is a point where the market does something gnarly, and you can always look for that. So I'm just trying to build on my skill set and also share this with you while I'm going through some of the mistakes. Because I mean, mistakes are a part of trading, but at least I have like a different style of content where you can actually see somebody fucking up, see somebody making the mistake, see somebody get profitable, right? And you'll see me do it all here, and I'll learn it and run it up and share it all right? I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy it. It's pretty laid back. Hope you understood more of the what I'm trying to express. Hope you find some value from it, and bye bye.